How to use a Amazon gift card to buy Robux. Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So, let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser on your PC and then simply search for roblox.com. Once you search for it, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this 3-line icon, then tap on gift cards. So once you're inside the gift card section, you want to go ahead and tap on Redeem Card, and this will take you to the Redeem page where you can enter your Roblox code. Next, simply head over to Amazon.com and then log into your account. And if you have an Amazon gift card, you want to go ahead and simply search for Roblox in the search bar. Once you sort for it, find the Roblox gift card that matches the amount of your Amazon gift card, and then go ahead and tap onto it. Once you tap onto it, you want to go ahead and tap on Add to Cart, and then proceed to checkout. So at the checkout section, find an option to enter a gift card or a promotional code. You want to go ahead and simply enter your Amazon gift card number right over here. Then tap on Apply. Once you enter the code, you want to go ahead and simply complete the purchase, and afterward check your email for the Roblox gift card. So once you get the code, return to Roblox and then enter it in the Redeem Code field. And just like so, click on Redeem. And then you have successfully used your Amazon gift card to buy Robux. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.